Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget best drone. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget best drone. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
The world of work was once again revolutionized when DJI launched the new enterprise flagship platform, the Matrice 300 RTK. With the new Zenmuse P1, unlock more of its potential. The P1 integrates a full-frame camera with interchangeable fixed-focus lenses on a 3-axis stabilized gimbal. It is an efficient, accurate payload designed for photogrammetry. For the first time, DJI uses a full-frame sensor with more microns in each pixel to give you higher image quality. At 45 megapixels and with short shooting intervals, the camera can capture high-resolution images of large areas in short flights. In just 4 flights, 140 minutes. Collect data for 10 kilometers squared of 2D orthomosaics. What's more, the P1 syncs time across the camera, gimbal, flight controller, and RTK module to deliver centimeter-level accurate data. Its global mechanical shutter with a shutter speed of 1/2000th seconds prevents the jello effect, keeping images crisp even during high-speed flights while meeting accuracy requirements of 1:500 scale cadastral surveys. Thanks to the flexible 3-axis gimbal, Smart Oblique Capture simplifies oblique photography for you to quickly generate highly accurate 3D models. In areas with elevation changes, flight paths that follow the terrain let you fly safely while improving the accuracy of data outputs. Traditional geological surveys required teams to hang from dangerous slopes. Now, with the M300 RTK and P1, map of the object photogrammetry missions are easier than ever. Vertical slopes and mountain ranges can be modeled with a millimeter-level resolution, so teams can investigate, measure, and evaluate these hazard sites. Use this combo for AEC and surveying applications to quickly acquire 2D and 3D data for all phases of the project lifecycle, including design, acceptance, inspection, and maintenance. In emergency response, immediate access to the latest intel is crucial. When used with DJI Terra, the solution enables real-time mapping, so teams can have eyes on a large area to quickly make informed decisions. The Zenmuse P1 and M300 RTK solution is unprecedentedly efficient, accurate, intelligent, and safe, setting a new benchmark as your new go-to tool for aerial survey.
For breathtaking high-definition video, wherever you go. With wide-angle view and smart flying features, Zino introduces W1, an intelligent and compact flying camera that you'll want to bring everywhere. W1 uses an innovative dual-camera system. The 1080p front camera with wide-angle lens creates high-quality immersive images, while the second camera at the bottom allows for unique vertical shots and added flying stability with optical flow positioning. Close to home or in exotic locations, W1 is your eye in the sky. With dual-brand transmission and high-efficiency brushless motors, the W1 remains stable even in adverse conditions. But wait, and let's see how W1's smart features make flying easier than ever. W1 can be controlled with simple hand motions. It can also recognize and follow a person or a mobile device using accurate GPS positioning. At your signal, it knows when you want to take a photo and/or start recording a video. Combined with a VR headset, W1 offers the most immersive flying experience, with over 13 minutes of flight time and up to 200 meters of smooth, real-time video transmission. Let W1 take control by simply pointing at the map where you want it to go. Low battery? Don't worry. W1 knows when power is running low and returns on its own. With its innovative features, high-quality camera, and compact body, W1 is the perfect creative companion.
Stand taller and look farther. Open your eyes. Everyone can become a great photographer. Go outside, yearning for the sun. Pursue the distance, then the world can be wider. For this time, brand new generation Zino 2 immerse you to positions out of sight. The upgrade is more than a little on this occasion. Added visual sensor at the bottom. Enabled superior environmental awareness. Acquires the powerful low-light fixed point capability. Lets you fly with precise positioning and hovers more stable. Either browsing nature or recording beautiful moments. To see a full expanse of worlds and explore the unknown, Zino 2 uses the latest LES 2.0 image transmission system. based on the new architecture design, obtained the ability to adapt to complex environments. Maximum image transmission distance increased to 6 kilometers. Lets you discover the wonderful far off. Zino 2 comes with a stronger power system. Maximum flight velocity increased to 20 meters a second. Lets you enjoy dedicated to discover the new world. Adopted smart battery, created battery management unit, and self-learning mechanism, which maximize the battery lifetime to 33 minutes. Zino 2 benefits from its powerful flight control auto-stabilization system. Flight stability and wind resistance were equally remarkable in windy conditions. Take you on a fun shooting journey. A simple lifestyle is relaxing and comfortable. So is Zino 2. AI vision assists precise landing, automatically searching apron landing, quickly locates an accurate return. What is terrific, Zino 2's newly designed enhanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. Enable record the shot stably and smoothly. The modular design of the gimbal facilitates replacement and quick disassembly. Zino 2 equipped with an upgraded image acquisition system. Records non-destructive 4K 60fps video that captures more image detail. Also, support full HD 120 FPS slow motion video, inviting you to feel the time close up. Take photos in the RAW format. Video shooting support SLN RAW mode that reserves more video details to give you a realistic visual feast. Everyone has the tool to discover beauty. Let's embrace this colorful world. Zino 2 can shoot amazing time-lapse videos with one click. Experience the ever-changing world of light and shadow. Create time-lapse works that are undetectable to the naked eye. Zino 2 uses Sony 1 out of 2.3-inch image sensor, endowing an outstanding capability to capture light and shadow. The dual DSP hardcore unit guaranteed the ability to process 4K video data, help you to experience the rich and beautiful city. Free to adjust the color and shooting parameters, with customizable color and white balance when taking photos and videos. Present your creative blockbusters with color. Upgraded AI image follow. Let Zino 2 become your intimate photography partner, improving the response speed, increasing type identifications, provide arbitrary shooting for you, achieving a more accurate image follow-up. Movie mode provided a more precise altitude control. You can adjust the speed of the tilt axis of the gimbal on app, meet various needs of shooting speed, lends professional, smooth, and unique effects to your work. Come into your life, discover the world. Orbit shooting, 360-degree shooting, line fly mode, panorama mode. Interact with nature, life with your heart. Feel every beauty on earth. Yes, you will find the world filled with fun and joy. Hubsan Zino 2 freshen up. Widen your horizon, explore the world. A refreshing change. Give a good account.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.